Winner, chicken dinner. I'm gonna name the winner from the little contest I had from the last video I did, where you had to guess the weight of the truck and the trailer. Loaded and unloaded. Also, the winner, I have some homegrown mushrooms you can eat with your chicken dinner. So I got the ticket here, and we'll have a look-see at what it weighed. Alright, what do we got here? You can read it. Sorry about that. What do we got? Shows gross 13,680 inbound on 6 to 24th. Probably not holding that very good. Gross was 13,680, Terra's 95.40. Net was 41.40, so I had 4,140 pounds. Also trying to think, the truck by itself, I think the trailer weighs about 2,000 pounds. That's about right. Truck weighs like 75.80 or 74.60 or something like that. But we'll go down, we'll look at the computer, the messages, and we'll see who was the closest. Here's those tasty mushrooms, along with your chicken dinner. You got two different styles. We got more of a flat roof style mushroom, and over here you got these dome style mushrooms. I can box them up and send them to you if you like. Might kill you, but I'm not responsible for that. Here's the analytics from the video, which I was giving away the profits from this video, and as you can see here, my estimated revenue, and this is, since it was published July 24th, this video has made me $1. So, the winner who guessed the weight, oops, you lost the screen. The loaded and unloaded weight, which didn't come out, the guesses weren't quite what I thought they would be, but winner gets $1. But that's pathetic, so I'm going to send you, winner's getting 21 bucks, and 5 people guess the weight, so I'm going to send each of you $20. So that was an easy 20 bucks if you're watching the video, which I only made $1 on, so I went in the hole, but I'll stand by what I said, and I just need to get contact info from each of you so we can get this sent out. Also, I forgot to mention that this is, actual date I'm doing this is September 1st, 2021. It was published July 24th, 2021. $1. Okay, here's everybody that guessed on the weight. I'm going to send each of you 20 bucks minimum. The winner gets $21. I haven't really gone through it yet to see who gets the 21, but Amped Up, Soggy B, Daniel Frankert, or Frankart, sorry if I said your name wrong, Next Link Customs, and, come on you stupid thing, move. Oh well, guess that's all it wants to be, move, but Joe Friesen, I'll send you all 20 bucks, and somebody gets 21. Okay, after looking at the receipt, which was 41.40 pounds, the winner is Joe Friesen. He has 4,000 pounds. He's 140 pounds off. Everybody else is a little bit further off. Soggy B was the next. So, Joe Friesen, you get $21. Everybody else, I'm going to send $20. All I need is your info. Not sure how to go about that, but I'll post my email. You can send me your info to my email address. I'd like to thank everybody for participating. It would have been nice if we got some more viewers. You could have made some more money. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Really appreciate all you guys that commented. See you on the next one. Well, getting ready to haul off a load of scrap iron. Hopefully this is my last load of scrap iron I'm going to haul off. I think I've hauled off maybe 3 or 4 loads and one other car. This thing's got to go. Since I ain't been doing much else, it's been kind of cleaning up and getting rid of some stuff because iron price is up just a little bit. But you get rid of this. I'm going to try to show that at the junkyard when they pick it off, because the other car was kind of neat when they picked it off. I was going to film it, but I never did. I got this old refrigerator that somebody spray painted on. I guess it's headed to China, but that's not where we're going. Must have had some yummy food in it. I don't know if that's the Chinese symbol for eat up, but somebody's gonna get some yummy food. Tasty mushroom, tasty mushroom, tasty mushroom, tasty mushroom, tasty mushroom.